Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Jefferson local and long-distance movers near me. In Jefferson, our long-distance moving solutions cater to a variety of needs. We provide custom crating for valuable and delicate items, ensuring their safe transport. Our team's efficient route planning and timely delivery minimize the stress of moving, allowing you to focus on settling into your new home. Jefferson's picturesque setting is matched by our efficient and careful moving services. We specialize in handling fragile items, providing secure packing and transportation, efficient residential moves, office relocation services, and custom moving plans for special requirements. With us, your move in Jefferson will be as serene and beautiful as the town itself. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jefferson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.